Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel GSI PUC Mysuru. This is the 5th session of the 8th chapter, that is modulation and demodulation. In the last few sessions we discussed about what is modulation, different types of modulation, need for modulation and the instantaneous equation of an amplitude modulated wave. We also solved some of the problems with respect to the AM waves or the amplitude modulated wave, and we derived an expression for the modulation index in terms of Vmax and Vminimum. In today's session, we will be continuing with the same chapter with the next topic, that is the modulated wave with different degree of modulation, or the modulated wave with various degree of modulation. With various degree of modulation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ for different values of MA. MA is nothing but the modulation index or the modulation factor or the degree of modulation whose value will lie within the range of 0 to 1. If the value of modulation index, that is value of MA, is more than 1, then it is called as over modulation. Over modulation anta helidaga there will be distortions in the signal anta nanu helide. In this session we are going to see how that distortions will be created if the value of MA is more than 1. So let us try to take the 4 different cases where MA value will be equal to 0, 0.5, 1 and 1.5. We know that the amplitude of the modulated signal will entirely depend upon the modulation index, which in turn depends upon the amplitude of a modulating signal and the amplitude of a carrier signal. That is the waveform of the amplitude modulated signal. The waveform of the amplitude modulated signal anta helidaga we are going to get a waveform like this, a continuous waveform like this. So the waveform of this particular amplitude modulated signal will entirely depend upon the modulation index, which in turn depend upon the amplitude of a modulating signal and the amplitude of a carrier signal. So let us try to see how this waveform will be varied for different types of, for different values of this MA. Let us consider the case 1 when MA value is equal to 0. Here in this particular diagram we have to notice two different terms, what is called as Vmax and Vminimum. Last session alli nanu helide what is Vmax and Vminimum. Vmaximum is nothing but the maximum amplitude which is reached by the carrier signal when the modulating signal is modulated with the carrier signal anta. So Vmax and Vminimum. We are having this particular expression MA equals Vm divided by Vc. So this MA is equal to 0 anta helidaga I am going to equate that Vm is equal to 0, that is Vm is equal to 0 anta helidaga there will be no modulating signal at all. I will be having only the carrier signal. To get a waveform something like that, I need two separate signals. One is a modulating signal, the other one is a carrier signal. But in this particular case, that is case 1, when MA value is equal to 0, I will not be having any modulating signal. I will be having only a carrier signal whose frequency is very high and whose amplitude is just Vc. So this is the time period, this is the amplitude. When I am going to combine this with no signal, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ signal ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು combine ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, but when I am going to give this particular signal into a modulator circuit, then I am going to get the same signal, that is a carrier signal whose amplitude is equal to Vc and frequency is equal to Fc. That is, we are not modulating any kind of signal. MA value is equal to 0. The modulation index is equal to 0. In such case, I will be getting a modulating signal which is same as that of a carrier signal. Now we are going to look into the second case, that is when MA value is equal to 0.5. When MA value is equal to 0.5, we know that MA is equal to Vm divided by Vc, which is equal to 0.5. This 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. So Vm is equal to 1 by 2 of Vc. By looking into this equation, I can clearly tell that Vm will be equal to half of that of Vc. So whatever the Vc amplitude is, the half of that VC amplitude will be equal to the amplitude of a modulating signal. Suppose if I am going to consider VC as equal to A, VC value na nanu A anta tilkolona. Avaga VM value eshtaagtade 0.5A, that is 1/2 of that A, which is equal to 0.5A. Then Vmax is equal to VC plus VM anta nange gottu. ಹೌದಾ? VC value is A, VM value is 0.5A, so Vmax value will be equal to 1.5A. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Next, let us calculate V minimum value. V minimum is VC is A, VM is 0.5A, then A minus 0.A gives me 0.5A. So V minimum is equal to 0.5A. That is, whenever I am going to combine a carrier signal whose amplitude is A with a modulating signal whose amplitude is equal to 0.5A, this is VM, this is a carrier signal, this is a modulating signal, then I will be getting an amplitude modulated wave whose maximum value is equal to, how much is it? 1.5A, and minimum value is equal to 0.5A. So I will be getting a waveform, amplitude modulated waveform like this, whose maximum amplitude is 1.5A and minimum amplitude is 0.5A. If the signal is modulated with MA value as 0.5, none of the signal will be distorted or there will be no disturbances in the signal. Then at the receiver end we can easily recover the signal. Recover the signal anta helidre we can easily remove the modulating signal from a amplitude modulated wave. There will be no distortions in the amplitude modulated wave when MA value is equal to 0.5. Now let us try to understand the case 3, that is when MA value is equal to 1. When MA value is equal to 1, we know that MA is equal to VM divided by VC, which is equal to 1. If I am just going to alter this particular expression, VM will be equal to VC. Whatever the value of VC is, the same value will be applicable for VM also. So Vmax, if VC value is equal to A, then according to this particular expression, VM value will also be equal to A, right? So Vmax is equal to VM plus VC, that is VM value is A, VC value is also A, then I will be getting V maximum value as 2A. Similarly, if I want to calculate V minimum, VM minus VC is A minus A, it gets cancelled, so I will be getting as 0. Now I want to combine a carrier signal whose amplitude is equal to A, this is a carrier signal, with a modulating signal whose amplitude is also equal to A, this is a VM modulating signal. Then I will be getting a modulated wave, that is the amplitude modulated wave, which will be having a maximum value of 2A and a minimum value of 0. What is this V minimum? V minimum is nothing but the distance between the 0 axis line and the negative, that is this line. This difference na ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, V minimum ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. But in this particular case, V minimum value is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ the signal will touch the 0 axis line like this. We will be getting a waveform like this. So this is an amplitude modulated wave whose maximum value is equal to 2A. This is VAM and V minimum value is equal to 0. So here in this case, that is when MA value is equal to 1, the signal will not be distorted. We are going to easily recover the signal or detect the signal or remove the modulating signal from the carrier signal in a easier manner. None of the signal will be eliminated or none of the signal will be disturbed in this particular case also. Illi V minimum is touching the 0 axis line. If it goes below the 0 axis line, some of the signal will be eliminated anta helbodu. But here it is just touching the 0 axis line agirodrinda none of the signal will be eliminated or none of the signal will be distorted. I will be able to retrieve the actual modulating signal at the receiver end. That is the modulating signal, all of the modulating signal will be present in one single envelope. Envelope ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ envelope ಇಂದ we can easily extract the signal. Here envelope, in the first session I told you that carrier signal can be compared with the tiffin carrier anta. But these days nobody is going to carry the tiffin carrier made up of steel or plastic, all those things. Ivagellanu use and throw, like aluminum foil anta helbodu. Aluminum foil nalli you can wrap the food and that aluminum foil will take the shape of the food what you are going to fill inside that. That aluminum foil filled with the food can be considered as an envelope. So, our envelope olgade actual signal will be there which can be easily extracted. Clear? So, this is an envelope where the modulating signal will be present and in the receiver end we can easily retract the signal or we can easily retrieve that signal anta helbodu. So, in this particular case 3, when MA value is equal to 1, none of the modulating signal will be distorted. Now, let us look at the last case, that is case 4, when MA value is greater than 1, that is 1.5. In the last session ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ MA value must lie within a range of 0 to 1. Now let us see what happens if MA value is greater than 1. When MA is 1.5, we are having this expression MA equals Vm divided by Vc, which is equal to 1.5. That is Vm is equal to 1.5 of Vc. If Vc is equal to A, then Vm will be equal to 1.5 times of A. Houdalva? Now let us calculate V maximum and V minimum. V max is Vc plus Vm, which is equal to A plus 1.5A, which is equal to 2.5A. Houdalva? Next, V minimum equals Vc minus Vm. Vc value is A, Vm value is 1.5A. 1 minus 1.5 gives me minus 0.5A. I am getting a negative value over here. Now let us try to understand this pictorially. So this is a carrier signal whose amplitude is whose amplitude is equal to A. I am going to combine this with a modulating signal whose amplitude is 1.5A. This is a modulating signal. This is a carrier signal and this is a modulating signal. So the final signal waveform will be like this. The maximum value is, this value is 2.5A, but the minimum value is minus 0.5A. That is, it will cross the 0 axis line and it will go like this. So this is the V minimum. Ade ee kade cycle nalli tagondaga it will cross like this. So here some of the portions of the signal will be eliminated. They get cancelled with each other. Then I will be getting a waveform something like this. Only a portion of the negative cycles will be eliminated. So this is the waveform what we are going to get. A portion of the waveform, a portion of the modulating signal will be eliminated. So here this condition will be called as the over-modulation. I told you that MA value must lie within a range of 0 to 1. But here MA value is increased to 1.5. So this is called as over-modulation. I also told you that VC value must be greater than VM. But in this particular case, VM is greater than VC. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು over modulation. Some of the signals will be distorted or some of the signals will be eliminated in the amplitude modulated wave. Some of the signals will not be present in the envelope. It will be spilled out ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ it will be lost ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So we have to make sure that MA value must lie within 1. 1 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it leads to over modulation where we will be losing some of the actual signals. If MA value is greater than 1, then there will be sound, spluttering sound will be received at the receiver end, which can be considered as an unwanted noise signal. So unwanted noise signal will also be present along with the actual signal, which will be called as the splattering sound, and this process will be called as the over modulation. Clear? So we saw all the 4 different cases of the modulation index. What happens to the amplitude modulated wave when MA values are different. When MA is equal to 0, it is equal to 0.5, 1 and 1.5. I hope you are very much clear with this particular topic. I will be coming soon with the next topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.